So we have decided to come to the rainforest. We're gonna drive around Quinault. We're gonna check out the rainforest, check out some waterfalls. It's gonna look cool. We're gonna get some cool pictures. It's gonna be a good morning. I'm looking forward to it. Nice day outside. The rest of the country is baking in 90 to 100 degree heat. And then, as you see, we have pants on. It's like in the 70s. I think it's gonna get to the 80s next. So, let's do this. This is Merriman Falls. This looks so cool. Look at this angle. There's two photographers here already and they missed this angle. That looks sweet. So next to Bunch Falls, there's this little one right off the side of the road, but it's really cool looking. There's all this green mossy goodness and the way it just cascades through. See if we can get a really cool one here. So this one is Bunch Falls. It's still off the side of the road. A little bit of time to get to it. Still think we can get a shot though. We had to climb over some rocks just to get to this point, but I think this will work. So a little photo tip: when it seems big like this and there's a lot of ground to cover, focus in on certain points and we'll get better shots and we'll look cooler too. So that's a big tree. We are at Lake Quinault in the rainforest. Went and checked out the largest spruce tree, and we're moving on to one of these trails along with the waterfalls. So pretty cool stuff, huh? Check that out. Whoa. All right, let's go down one of these trails. The sights and sounds of a rainforest. Pretty cool. Check that out. Pretty easy trail to walk on. There's no like lumps or anything in it. So that's cool. Put on a jacket or something. There's a lot of bugs in here. Should have brought breath spray. But oh well. Look at that. All these little things. We're on a mission to find a banana slug. We know you're in here. And we're gonna find you. Let's keep going. Green mossy goodness everywhere. Pretty cool. We're gonna find that slug. So our quest of finding a banana slug is coming up unsuccessful. We saw some slugs and I'll show you a couple pictures of that. I don't know if that was a banana slug though, because it had some yellow, but these things are like all yellow in the pictures I've seen. So I mean, they're usually like right in these little pockets. I don't know, maybe they're just elusive, I guess. So we're gonna keep looking. We're gonna try another trail. We're gonna ask a ranger if there's a specific spot, like an area where they're more prolific, I guess. But walking around the rainforest though is pretty cool. So it's not like a total loss, you know. All right. Continuing on. So apparently the slug we did find, we asked the rangers, those technically are banana slugs. It was black with the little spots. So that's cool. It wasn't the full-blown yellow, but it'll do. And it hasn't rained in a while. He said that's why they're not coming out. So, but can't beat the view though. Look at the size of this guy. Hello. Ooh, you're on camera. I'm getting a picture of you. Mission accomplished. We saw banana slug.